Hey guys, Jake here. We're at Pear Tree Ranch. I'm riding the gray horse, and welcome to your challenge. What we're going to do is I'm going to time myself linking 3 tasks, and I'm going to do a slow, a medium, and a fast run, and we'll add a little time to each, and those are going to be the different zones that you do the 3 tasks in that timeline, you get those points. Do it in that faster one, more points. That faster one, more points. Okay? So everything we've done up until now has been, can you just get it done? Now we're gonna add in, let's get to work and let's get her done with a little zippity and the doodah. Now, I don't wanna see heads flying in the air, and all that Russian stuff that can happen. That's one thing if it's a make or break situation, but if you're sacrificing horsemanship and quality, that's not what we're doing. We're practicing where we can do it, okay? What's the fastest you can do it with what quality? So, open and close the gate, drag the tarp, rope the barrel. That's what we're gonna do. So, stopwatch, digital. You can start by your gate, set yourself up a space where you can do all these things. Okay. On your mark, get set, go. You could do this with a rope gate if you needed to, between a couple standards. Gosh, if I was smart, I would have started on the inside and came out. In, close, open, close. So try to set yourself up where you could come out and do it. So I went out and around. One, 2, 3. One, 2, 3, and go. Stop. 1 minute, 58 seconds. So let's say 3 minutes is slow. You got to at least be able to do that in 3 minutes, okay? So now, get this all reset. What if I do it a little faster? I'm gonna start on the inside this time. Like I was trying to be a bit faster. Okay. Reset. Ready, steady, go. One, two, three. Whew. Stop. 105. I don't know if I can do it faster than that. Let's find out. So let's say 2 minutes and under. So I added a minute to the first one. That was 2 minutes, so that made it 3. So now add a minute to this time. That'll be, so 2 minutes and under for 2 points. Now, let's see if I can do it under a minute. Let's see. Do I think I can do it faster if I go forward? I still have to make a turn on the outside, but I don't have to make that turn around the gate. Let's see. Reset. On your mark. Get set. Go. One, two, oh geez, I put a figure 8 in it. 3, fix my figure 8. Oh, dang it. One, two, three. Stop. 109. So because I fouled that, dang. What happens when you start going fast? You fumble and you bumble. Okay, let's give it another try. See if I can't do it faster. This is what I want you guys to see is it's okay to mess up. You just go again. That's the point of this challenge. I want you guys to be working, and I want you to try for speed, find your max, so that you can flirt with it, approach and retreat. Okay, let's give that one more go here, see if I couldn't do it under a minute. Okay, reset the watch. It's important to be real about it. You know, it doesn't always go perfect. 90% of that was good. But all it takes is a fumble. And I did it slower than when I trotted, because I missed my first shot. Okay, on your mark, get set, go. Sure I don't get a figure 8 in my loop this time. 1, 2, 3. Ah, fouled it. Too close. One, 2, 3. 105.59. So 105 still is the fastest I could get it done when I fouled that. So I'd say you can do it under a minute. That's 3 points. Okay, I'm gonna go again here, and I know I can do that. Okay, this is fun now. I'm working on something like, woo, okay. Gets the blood going, I get excited. What did it do to my horse? Anything? Nope, he's the gray horse. Okay, what's it gonna do to your horse? When we get that rum, 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 are you getting them overexcited? Do you need to throttle it back? Okay, approach and retreat. Make sure that you're not jacking them up to where you now couldn't do it at all. And go from there. All right, well, I'll give this one more go because I'm excited about it, and I want to prove that it's doable. And then I want to see your guys' videos. We're giving another Yeti away this time. Okay, screw it, Yeti and a hat. Yeti and a hat? Yeti and a halter? Let me think about it. I'm going to do this one and I'll tell you. What should we give away? What should we give away? Reset. On your mark, get set, go. Okay, so what did I learn? Don't do it from too close. Don't, because I gotta have room to throw softly and in my normal flow. And don't put a figure 8 in your loop. 2, 3, and go. Stop. 48.54. Come here and get a shot of it. You see it? Okay. 48.54. So, totally doable. You can do it under a minute. 3 points. Here's what we're going to do. The yellow Yeti's out, but there's still a blue one, a purple one, and a silver one. You get to pick of the colors left of those Yetis, and your choice hat colors. We got a bunch of new ones, including the special edition camo hats. There's multicam regular and multicam black, and those are special edition. I won't be giving those ones away usually because they cost me 3 times as much to get. So you get to pick double prize for the end of the year challenge where we've put all these things together. All right, I hope you get excited about this. I hope you see how this could be fun. I really enjoyed doing this one. I hope you do. I'm Jake. This is the Gray Horse. Have fun with your challenge. Get to work, and we'll see you next time.